Welcome back, guys, to the channel. So today we got an e-bike on our channel, and if you're wondering why do we have a e-bike on our RC channel, well, for those who have been following me for a while know that I like to film in various places. And a lot of times, if it's a rock crawler, I like to try to find rocks. If it's a bog truck, I'll find some dunes, sand, and I like to film in different places just to make the videos a little bit different from the next one. In a lot of the places, you can't just pull up and park your car and just walk right there. Some of the spots you do have to hike a little bit, and if you have one car it's fine, but if you have multiple cars it gets a little bit tiring to carry all of your stuff. So this is going to be my new transporter, and find some new bashing spots with this thing. So this is the Engwe L20 2.0 pedal assist bike. So this comes with a 52-volt battery, which has plenty of torque to go up hills. If I'm filming one car, this is usually what I bring: the car with the batteries inside, all my camera gear with the remote. If I do add another car, then I'll bring an additional backpack for the batteries and remotes. So nice thing about this thing, it has a rack in the back, and also you could buy a separate one in the front. I could put my cars in here, one of the backpacks up front, and the second backpack I could carry it. So just a quick rundown of the bike. It does have two suspensions, so you got your front suspension and then you got your seat suspension right here on the post. So if you're pedaling, it does come with 7-speed. This thing has 5 different modes on pedal assist. It does come with the LCD display, so you can see your speed, what kind of mode you are in. So if you're using just throttle, this thing will go to 20 miles an hour, which is pretty nice. If you're using pedal assist in level 5, this thing will go to 28 miles an hour. Just motor, not pedaling. 3, 2, 1, go. And top speed right there. Go. And top speed right there. Okay, this time we're gonna pedal and we're gonna try to hit top speed on this bike, 28 miles an hour. So only pedal assist. So you have a plus and minus button right here to select your pedal assist levels. Also, you have a button right here for your headlight in the front, brake light in the back, and then you have another button here just to go through different cycles on the display. And the nice thing about this thing, this is a foldable bike. So if you live in a little area and you don't have a lot of room, this bike does fold up, which is very nice. Also, you could put it in an SUV and just transport it wherever you want to go. My wife has actually been using this quite a bit, just putting it in her car and going. The seat does come up, so you have a little handle right here to flip it up, just if you want to remove the battery and charge it. So to take the battery out, it's pretty easy. You have 3 positions here. You have off position, on position to turn on the bike, and if you want to take the battery off, you push it in and twist it all the way, and then you could take the battery out if you want to charge it like that. I've driven on small trails and this bike has no problem going up the hill, but there is a pretty good hill right here, and I'm actually kind of curious to see if it'll go up just on throttle, without pedal assist, just throttle. It's going. It's going. So close. I think if I pedaled, it'd definitely help it more. Alright, we almost got it to the very top. So let me try that again, but this time I'm going to try pedaling. Because I topped out at 20 miles an hour and it just stopped going. So I think with pedaling it should go a little bit more than that. So here we go. Come on. Yeah. Woo. Not bad at all. This thing got it. Come on. Yeah. So I've noticed pedal assist 2 seems to be the best. It gets you up to 10 miles an hour, 3 gets you to 15, 4, 20, and then so on. So kind of increments of 5. One thing I did notice though, if you switch from 2 to 3 pedaling, it kind of just kicks you in right away. Just to make it a little bit smoother, I figured out that if you just pedal, stop pedaling, click up, and then pedal again, it's just a nice smooth transition. It does take some time to get used to this bike, but once you figure it out, it's really nice, really comfortable. I've already driven this bike 45 miles, and so far awesome. I like this bike, very comfortable. I am going to be using this a lot more. There's a few spots I do want to go check out with the RC cars that are usually kind of harder to get to by car, or you have to walk really far, so this bike is going to come in handy. Okay, we just got to the spot where we're going to try to go and bash the car. It's kind of over there somewhere. It's like between the railroad track and the highway, so you can't really park anywhere. I mean, we could walk, it's just going to take a little bit more time to walk to it. So now that we have bikes, an e-bike, it should make
Jeez, dude.
So now with the e-bike, it should be a lot more easier to go to that spot. Yeah. I haven't been here, so hopefully this is the spot. I was driving on the highway and I seen some people jump over here.
Looks like the spot.
Yeah. Yeah, let's pull in here.
Oh, that was a big jump.
Oh yeah, look. It's a nice jump right there. Oh! Dude, look at the car ready to go.
That's how you unload it.
That's how you unload it. So dusty, dude. Bro, I thought you're gonna hit it higher. Okay guys, so we just filming. The battery died on the car. Pretty nice spot, pretty cool that we actually came out here. A lot of jumps. Like I said, it's pretty nice to have an e-bike, that way you don't have to carry all the stuff, you just put it on here. Like I said, the e-bike is pretty cool. I like it. I'm gonna be using it a lot more often now, just to find cool little spots like this, kind of, you know, away where you can't really get to really easily. Really impressed with the bike, to be honest. So thanks guys for watching. Subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys next time.